Hey Korean language explorers, it's me Leneha, and guess what? I have been chosen as the K influencer by the South Korean Ministry of Culture, Sports and Tourism this year. But enough about me. Let's jump into something really cool today, the wonderful world of math. So get ready because we're about to go on a delicious journey together. Math in the Korean language is the ultimate taste guide. It's like the leader in charge of all things flavor. Whether it's the yummy taste itself, the unique flavor, or the happy vibes you get when enjoying something delicious. You all are already familiar how in Korean dramas and variety shows, the word mashaso is being thrown around like confetti. And guess what? There's a lot more to the word math than just food-related meanings. But for now, let's focus on the mouth-watering world of Korean cuisine in this video. Do wait for part 2, where we're going to uncover its other meanings. Taste. Taste is the feeling that you get when you eat something and it touches your tongue. For example, in English, it would mean, this ramen is tasty. In Korean, it would be, 이 라면 맛있어요. Flavor, like sweet, spicy, salty, sour, etc. For example, this ramen is spicy. Korean example, 이 라면의 맛은 매워요. Means to taste something and enjoy it fully because it is pleasant to our senses. For example, you've got to savor the taste of ramen. In Korean, it would mean 라면의 맛을 맛봐야지. Time to put your math knowledge to the test. Can you fill in the blanks with the right meaning of math? Let's see. The dash of this fruit is sweet. Any guesses? 1, 2, 3. You're correct. The taste of this fruit is sweet. 이과일의 맛은 달콤해요. Second, the dash of this drink is too intense. Guess it. 1, 2, 3. Yes, you are right if you meant the flavor. 이 음료의 맛이 너무 진해요. Discussion time. Let's spice things up with a tasty discussion. What's the most memorable math experience you have ever had? Share your flavorful stories in the comments with us. Korean food has rich flavors. 한국 음식은 맛이 풍부해요. The flavor of the soup is salty. 이 soup 맛이 짠데요. Let's travel to Korea and savor kimchi. 한국에 가서 김치를 맛보자. Congratulations, taste explorers! You have unlocked the flavorful secrets of math in Korean. Thanks for joining me today on this tasty adventure. I will be returning with part 2 of this video where I will shed new light on the concept of math. Till then, wait, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious Korean culture content. I will see you guys next time. Bye!